Verse 20. Moses said, "Oh Lord, destroy them not. For thou hast brought them out from Egypt with thy greatness." Sir, if there is anything I dream is to be great. Is to be what?
Great.
Somebody say it.
Great.
Somebody say it.
Great.
If you don't respond well, I'm sure this.
To be great. Great.
Amen.
Amen.
I want to talk to you principles sometimes. If you don't respond sharply, and you will never be serious for once in life. You know why? You want a good marriage, but you can't sacrifice for it. You can't keep awake till you have it. You need destiny children, but you can't wait to have a man like Samuel and a man like David and a woman like Esther. And all night you slept. So, if there is anything, John, help this life, please. What is greatness? How many people survive through you? How many people survive? That is the mark and the quality of greatness. That you have the whole country wealth and no man survive through you makes you a fool. Am I communicating here? To be great, how many persons survive through you? And I am proud to say, I can't number them who survive through me. Yet, I am not satisfied. I need more product to market. I need more products to market. If I should relax on a baker yesterday, then I am not serious to somewhere. Living a tenant life have tired me. And you are not tired living in 2-bedroom apartment. You are not tired living in 1-room apartment. Year to year you are there. But I live a whole flat for yet and yes! On seriousness, my friend, when you see people on top dream to be like them and desire it and pursue it, it's good to die a hero than to die a fugitive. Take it again. It's good to die a hero than to die a fugitive. What made his quest for greatness is what killed him. Wow, that man is a hero. Ojuku is a hero. Did he achieve Biafra? No. But is it a hero? Yes. Yes. Ojuku's name is far greater than Nnamdi Azikiwe's name. Am I communicating? Yes, sir. Though he's a seed of Africa, Ojuku is a man of Biafra. And yet Biafra still they go. But the man of Africa collapsed. Am I communicating? Die a hero. That can never say die a hero. The Islam can never say die a hero. He may not be a perfect man, but you can make him great. He may not be your dream husband, but you can make him great. Amen. Amen. And the Lord was very angry with Aaron. No? God is not happy when you are what? Hey. Don't look at me with that eyes. He's not happy when you are. Let me shock you again. God is not happy when you can't feed well. And somebody said, Chineko with Mary. You bury that potential and help cease from coming. I pray with my liver and my kidney that as you can pray with me tonight, the greatness of God will come upon your life. The greatness of God shall come upon your life. If you can jump up and say amen, a better life will follow me. That I have not seen, I'm talking to you. I'm not talking to you that I have not seen anything on this earth. I am talking to you that passed through God. to survive. Hear me. In the potential of your life, the first thing written is greatness. I read my Bible and I discovered that the first thing the Lord gives is greatness. Genesis 1, 26, 27. Greatness. Let them have what? I pray with my kidney and liver that after this meeting, you will possess a mind your father never possessed. You will possess a mind your family never possessed. You will break over the gates of your enemy. Call your brother and show you, yeah. There is no hammer. There is no delay taking over. God never creates weakness in the beginning. He creates greatness. For some of us here who have the opportunity and try to misuse it, hear me. If you die tomorrow, your children will curse your grave. Hey, look at me. If you die tomorrow in this level, your children will curse your grave. Governor Bebeli, your mother. Alamuno Geseki. A senator may tell burial your father, Alamuno Geseki. Huh? President is saying they are an intolerance. And that's why I am going up every day. Is somebody getting the word I'm talking about? That you fail 3 times a day does not mean you are useful. You can fail 4 times a day and become also a liability to yourself. Are you useful to yourself? Are you important to yourself? Are you? What signs that shows people that you are important to yourself? What signs? You live in the same average of every person in your street. And look at every person in your yard, you look in the same average with them. Is that the seriousness to better your life? Come on. Oh, you just provoked me tonight. There are certain things I say, but you just provoked me to open up. Listen attentively and listen very carefully. Do not allow your husband to regret marrying you as a wife. Do not allow your husband to look at you in the face and say, I regret meeting you in the first instance. Do not allow your wife to look at you in the face and say, dear, I married you to be proud of you, but I'm sorry I regret it last. When you are not valued to yourself, when you are not important to yourself, when you never recorded that there is a journey before you, and you become a problem, not a solution. And whosoever come around you will always integrate with you. Now sit down. Sit down. Good thinking. Good thinking. Our landlord built this house 15 years ago. What did he do to become a landlord? That's the beginning of good thinking. Messina Granot of the landlord. My friend, you can build 10-story buildings through selling of granite. Are you aware? Are you aware? Are you aware that through selling granite you can buy a land? All lands for you. Fight your life, your thinking faculty, fight it. Your father have 10 plots of land for your brothers and including you. But brother, at the age of 40, you wear 1 plot. And one will ask, every foundation fighting me, you start talking, you are a fool. Because your father have 10 plots of land. Am I right? Right! You will die wrong. I As soon as you meet your death, Jesus has come. Jesus is coming soon. When you do foundation now, Jesus is coming soon, am I right? And all of you in the church. Christians.